Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 31st of May. We did an arm jive, a shoulder slide, a lady spin and a basket. Links in the description below for a more detailed teach of each of those moves. This is just to remind you how everything went together. So it went like this: man's left, lady's right, and it went 5, 6, an arm, jive. We went offer, pulling left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return, shoulder slide. We went latch, catch right for the lady spin, prepare, spin, catch, pick up 2 hands for the basket, little twist, wrap, round the corner, over the top, and look, return, and back. And that was it. We hope we find that useful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you to everyone who likes, subscribes and hits the bell. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.